So there's gonna be the eye catchers of the show right there.
So we hope.
Black and what? Look at that, black and white. What more of a contrast do you want than that?
And even making waddles.
Two beauties. Look at that. So Lynn's weapon of choice for the car show tomorrow is, of course, the
5.9 Cummins.
5.9 Cummins.
It's got 50 horsepower injectors in it, and I got an electric fan on it right now. But it has a Banks exhaust system is what it has right now. And that's about all I've done to it.
What size?
The exhaust, I believe it's 6-inch.
6-inch exhaust.
Cat back.
Stock turbo?
Stock turbo, yep.
So my weapon of choice is the one, the only, the legendary LBZ 6.6 liter Duramax. I've done a few more things to it than Lynn does his. First of all, you'll notice I got an S&B cold air intake, complete EGR delete, and although that may look like the stock size turbo, that's actually a 68mm Garrett Stage 2 turbo hidden back in there in the valley. Now for my exhaust in the old Duramax, I have a 3-inch MBRP downpipe, and that goes into a 5-inch MBRP exhaust system the whole way back to a 6-inch MBRP tip.